for myself, Llewellyn Africa and Cotter Shield, we want what is best for the industry. I want to move the industry forward. And I understand that there are players in the market that might not have that same objective. They want, yes, we are in business, we're here to do business. I like to do good business, right? Where we can have a return, we can give shareholders profit shares, but we also move the industry forward and not damage it. So there's also alignment in partnerships, right, of what we want to do. And so that's where it starts. My job is to give the best advice, not the correct advice for my gain. It's to give the best advice, even if I don't have the solution, because by giving you the best advice, I know we're moving the industry and the market forward, right? If it's for my gain and I'm like, listen, I'm out of class 4 stock, there's class 3, but I know that job requires class 4. I can convince you to use the class 3, but I know that's not the right call to make for that asset owner or for that project. And yes, in 5 years' time, I know something is going to go down, but depending on your intent, I know I'm not going to be around for 5 years, so that's not my problem. But the asset owner then gets that headache, and we're not moving the industry forward. So it's intent, it's partnership, it's values. Who do you want to be aligned with, and are we moving the industry forward?
Integrity and ethics. That's what it basically comes down to. Yes, we're all in business. We need to pay salaries, keep the lights on, all of that. But if you see the bigger picture, are you here for the quick stint, make the money and go? Or are you here for the long haul? And again, it's partnering with that with good, solid advice. I've got the saying, personally, is leave a place in a better state than you found it. And I think if you have that type of mentality, going off topic, personal now, but if you've got that mentality, is you will leave a mark and leave the industry in a better place. If we can just drop a bit of high quality standards into the industry and try and build that, I think that's the main focus. Is yes, business, it pays the bills. We have to sell, have to make things and sell them, and get return business. But at the end, as you've said a couple of times now, is move the industry forward, raise the quality bar, and suit will follow. It's basically forcing the rest to follow. So, no, that's great.